Now we will learn how to create green screen transition editing techniques in CapCut Mobile. There are many types of transitions that buyers are looking for on microstock platforms. 1. Ink transitions. 2. Liquid or water transitions. 3. Paper transitions. 4. Fire transitions. 5. Template transitions. First, we will learn how to create ink, liquid, and water transitions in CapCut Mobile and upload them to Adobe Stock. The materials needed are various green screen transitions of ink, liquid, and water. The standard rules for creating these three transitions in CapCut Mobile are: the first animation must completely close the screen like this. The second animation must open the entire screen back into a green screen like this. This is the standard transition that we will upload to Adobe Stock, and content creators are looking for transitions like this. And the rules when taking materials from YouTube or other platforms are: the first animation should close the screen perfectly on a green screen background, and it's okay if there is no second animation. The animation must not have any blur, so we can edit it neatly and meet the quality standards. Now, let's go to YouTube and type liquid transition green screen. Once you find a good animation, copy the link and download it using Save From with the highest quality. This is the material I got. The material is very basic, with only one animation, while most videos on other channels usually have 2 animations. Now, add one transition to the CapCut Edit menu using a special green screen background that we will use continuously to mark the work as ours, commonly referred to as a brand. First, tap the transition, then select Overlay and drag it below the green screen. Next, select Remove Background. Choose Chroma Key and point the circular center marker on the screen to the green color of the transition. Then, adjust it until it's neat. Once it's done, let's check it. Make sure the ending color of the transition animation fills the screen. Then, export it. Repeat this process for each transition material to replace the green screen with our own green screen color, one by one. Here is the result of replacing my green screen. Now, we will edit everything to make it a standard transition that we will upload later.